Your Body Never Lies is about many things. It's about personal power. It's about being here now. It's about increasing the love that we feel. It's about increasing awareness of, the information that we take in from the outside world. And there are some basic principles that we look at in order to unravel what has suppressed our personal power and what has suppressed our ability to express who we are. The basic principle is that, one, you trained your body to hold on to memories. And your body holds on to those memories in a way that it thinks those memories are still happening right now. And that is the big problem that you and most people on the planet are dealing with. Your body literally believes that old memories are still happening right now. That creates coping mechanisms, it creates filters, it creates blinders, it creates programs to cope with events that actually aren't happening anymore. The fundamental idea in Your Body Never Lies is that every time something happened in your life that you did not want to feel, and it doesn't matter if you made a choice about not wanting to feel it, or if you were completely overwhelmed by the heaviness of what was going on, when you psychically pushed away a feeling that you did not want to have, it didn't just go out into outer space or, the tree over there. It went into your body. And your body now holds on to this memory in some muscle somewhere, and your body, or your inner wisdom, believes that event is still happening right now. That is what's going on. The things that we think ruined our life, those things that happened to us way back when that, completely changed our life trajectory, those things didn't ruin our life. Those things are simply memories. Memories, they may be super impactful right now, but it's not the memory that's actually impactful. In Your Body Never Lies, we look to unravel the mechanism that gets the body to believe that memories are still happening. And we unravel that mechanism by showing the body that it is holding memories. And when your body realizes that this event that it thinks is still happening is actually just a memory that it's holding on to somewhere, most likely the shoulders, your body just stops attending to it. Your body thinks or realizes, oh, that's a memory, and just lets it go. You'd be like all stressed out and tense because, something happened in third grade. Your teacher hit you with a ruler maybe or whatever, and now here's somebody else with a ruler, and your body tenses up. Your body thinks, oh my gosh, I'm going to get hit with that ruler. But that's not your teacher. That happened decades ago maybe. And your body getting re-triggered and thinking that event is happening isn't because that event happened in your past. It's because you suppressed that event into your body, making your body believe that the event is still happening now. The really good news is that you can unravel that. And my goal is to show you how to unravel that. Because, if you're going to stress out about things, you should be stressing out about actual stress that's happening in your life right now. You shouldn't be stressing about things that happened out, a week ago or a decade ago or, 30, 40, 50 years ago. Those things are ancient history. And how they impacted you, they impacted you the way they impacted you. However, if they are continually re-impacting you today, it's because you mistrained your body. And this training is about retraining your body so that it knows the difference between reality and memories, right? Because the pictures in your mind, they're either happening right here, right now, or they are being recreated out of your past. And your body needs to know the difference. Because when you cope with or react to memories, the people in your environment, they think you're acting crazy. They don't know what you're talking about. And, you can take that personally. And you don't have to, because we all do it. How many times have you asked somebody what they want for dinner, and instead of telling you that they want a grilled cheese sandwich, they look at their watch and tell you the time, right? It's because they are not present. And you do it too. This training is about teaching our body to have its attention on right here, right now, and to only access memories when you choose to, right? This work does not erase memories. This work simply puts you back in control of how you access them. It stops the automatic referencing the past where the memories come up to bite you when you least expect it. And it's a wonderful place to be. It truly, truly is. I hope that you watch some more videos and find out what this is about, because you can get what you need from watching videos. You do not need to take the live class. You do not need to ever meet me. You do not need to do private training. You just need to teach your body the difference between memories and reality. And I'm looking forward to teaching you how to do that. Stick around. I'm actually a lot of fun. So maybe not all the time, but usually I'm fun. Thank you.